Wolf just redesigned their Induction 30 and 36-inch ranges. They're now available in two styles, transitional and professional. In this video, you'll learn what they improved, some things they should have upgraded, and how it can fit into your cooking style. Stay to the end to see a comparison to Miele, Monogram, and Thermador's Induction ranges. The cooktop is the same as last year's model. The cooking areas are square and can be bridged, allowing you to use rectangular cooking vessels like an induction-compatible grill or griddle. The controls are the same, running parallel with the front of the trim. So this makes them easier to access while also saving space. The biggest changes are in the oven. Wolf changed their convection system again from their Verticross blowing system to their Vertiflow system, which includes fans and larger heating elements to maintain temperature, allowing you to bake more evenly. It should still be the best convection system on the market because most brands like Thermador and Monogram are still single convection. Miele is the only other brand with a premium induction range to have a twin convection system, but it's still not as advanced as Wolf's. The oven capacity is still the largest in the industry for a premium induction range, especially in the 36-inch size. Wolf's Gourmet mode allows you to input the food that you want to cook, and the oven will calculate the time, temperature, and even rack position. This gets even easier when you use their probe, so the oven knows the exact temperature of the food while it's cooking. You also have 50 pre-programmed recipes as well. There's no knobs, all induction controls are on the induction top, and all the oven controls are in the touchscreen. You can create and change modes, adjust the temperatures, and turn the range on or off from their app. Although the changes are minimal, it's still one of the best ranges on the market. Here's how it compares with the other premium induction ranges on the market today. Miele has steam in their oven, which allows you to easily bake bread and caramelize meats. The M-Touch controls are the easiest to use with 100 pre-programmed recipes. For the cooktop, Wolf is larger and has the bridge elements on the top and a better convection system in the oven. Thermador has their Liberty technology in their cooktop, allowing you to set each burner to individual power levels. You can boil rice and then simmer and then warm simply by sliding the pan away from you. On the Monogram, you can set the burners by specific temperature. It also has an advanced guiding cooking system. But Wolf's oven is larger and it has the better Vertiflow convection system for more even heat distribution. So what do you think? Is Wolf still the best? If you're not sold on this Wolf, click here or scan to download our free induction cooking buying guide to learn more about all of the induction options that are available for you. If you want to see us rank the best 36-inch induction ranges, click this video, and thanks for watching.